My first suggestion on this is to take a lot of pictures along the way. Earlier today I was out with my kids, went by Starbucks, ordered, went to roll the window back up. It got all the way up, there was a crunching sound, and then the window just slid right back down. And from what I can tell, it's probably the window regulator. The motor still actually works, but the contraption that actually holds the window in place, it has some plastic pieces on it, and I'm pretty sure one of those or both of those pieces have broken. Now to start with, there's a few different panels that you have to pry off. One is under here, one's back here, and then one's here. So I'm gonna start there. I happen to have a set of these. These are little automotive screwdrivers, basically, but they have this different little tip on the end that's more like a star shape. This is a size T20 and this is a T27. You can buy kits that have a variety of sizes. You can also get the bit for these at, you know, Home Depot or something like that. But these are the sizes you're gonna need to take the front panel on this off. Ooh. All right, on this there's a couple of clips right here and right here, so just be careful when you pull it out so you don't break them. That one. Go. Right. Ooh. Okay, so now what I have to do is pry this off, but there's some plastic clips behind it, so you got to be really careful to not break the plastic clips that actually hold it into place. So they make special tools that you can get for this that kind of help you not break it. It's like a little flathead that has a notch in it almost, but I don't have one of those, I don't think so. Oh, there's one. I think I got one. Ah, there we go. Woo. Woo. Oh, uh-oh. Huh. That didn't look so great. Ah, there we go. Whew. Okay. Ooh. Oh, look at all that. Sweet. All right, so there's a bunch of stuff you got to disconnect in here. Take this one out. On that one, there's a little clip underneath the thumb, underneath the finger, I mean, and you have to kind of reach for that. This one is the same way. So that's two. Now this one is proving to be a little bit more difficult. Let's see if I can figure that one out. Ah, there we go. Okay, yes, this one was tough. Right here, it's a little hard to see. It's kind of on the inside of this, so feel around a little bit. You'll find it eventually. How do you get that off? I thought maybe this came out. So 3 of them were real easy to unplug, but this one I'm having a tough time. But I have a feeling that I don't actually have to remove this if I can get this panel off without having to actually unplug it. So I'm gonna give that a shot and we'll see how that goes. All right, now the next things you gotta do is just take off this little access cover here. That's pretty easy. And then remove the speaker. Maybe I should install a better speaker system while I'm at it. Maybe some, you know, hydraulics. Get the minivan really rocking. Pick up the kids in carpool. Ah, okay. Ooh. Ah, I don't think that's supposed to be loose in there. Let's see. Oh, it's got another one of these where you got to press it and then pull it out. Ah, okay. Ah, there we go. Oh, there it is. One thing I need to do before I go any farther is to kind of shim these windows in. And what I mean by shim is stick some little something, this is just cardboard, into the frame here with the windows to kind of hold it in place while I'm messing with it, because I don't want it to come sliding down on me. All right, next thing I gotta do is try to get this little plastic piece shoved inside this little hole, which is not the easiest thing in the world to do. Ah, there we go. All right. And then again on the other side. There we go. Oh, good Lord. All right, now the next step on this is to loosen all of these bolts. And for that, I'm just using a 10mm socket. And if you have an impact wrench, that's great. I can't find the adapter for ours, so. All right, I got my new part, got it off of Amazon. You can get it off of an auto parts dealer website as well. Just make sure you're matching up the model, make, and year of your vehicle, as well as which window you need. So one more thing I still have to do is unplug the cords that are actually attaching to the door. So most of them are pretty easy. Each one has these little clips on the side somewhere or on the inside where you have to kind of squeeze it and then pull it. Whew. There are going to be people who are going to tell me don't pull the cords by here, and they're right, but I couldn't really grab onto it any other way. Oh, there we go. All right. Now this set of cords right here, I'm actually not sure how to get those detached, so I'm gonna leave those there for now. But the other problem that I'm gonna have is that there's two bars in this hole, one that controls the outside door handle, one that controls the inside door handle. And you have to detach them from their clips before you can actually pull the panel off. And I'm a little worried about doing that. I'm afraid I'm gonna break them. So I'm gonna call in the big guns and see if I can get my husband out here to help me out a little bit.
No, I don't, yeah, maybe.
Okay, that one.
Okay, it's this one.
I have to just take it somewhere. Oh, hey.
So.
All right. So basically, what went wrong here was this wire, it connects right in here, and it broke. Whole wire just like snapped. So that's why this thing was just kind of not gonna go anywhere. All right, so there are 2 bolts right here that need to come out, and there's 4 on either side that also need to come loose. So I'll get to work on that. This thing back here is attaching this to it, so I have to take this off. Okay, got this, we got this, mother, holy crap, this was the culprit, bastard. Now for the new one. Oh yeah, okay, so that needs to go in there. My husband finally found the adapter for the impact wrench, so I can use it for this. Ooh. All right, there's one. Now, I had to use the old screws from the old part to attach this piece to these metal frames. It didn't come with new screws, I don't know why, but just be warned about that. Several videos on how to do this on YouTube before I got started because I wanted to make sure that it was something I was going to be capable of. And every single one of them stopped the video right here at this point and said, now you just reinstall it in reverse. And something tells me it's not going to be as simple as that. Relegated to flashlight duty.
Huh?
I said I've been relegated to flashlight duty. But that's okay, I'm alright with it.
For the time being, only.
Oops.
Okay.
You get it? Yes. Oh, you're the man.
Well, okay, so these rods.
Alright, now as you can see, the panel is back in, and I will admit that it was a bit of a struggle because of those 2 bars that attach to the door handles. They were not easy to get back in place, and you have to do it without really being able to see it. So it was a bit of a struggle, but luckily I had a little bit of help. Now to plug everything back in. one here. Oh. All right, now, theoretically, when we drop this window down, it should clip into these plastic clips automatically, like just go pop and click. So, wish us luck.
So just press it down.
Okay.
Hang on.
Okay.
Press, just press. Pressing. Further. Okay.
Oh,
That's
oh,
good.
there
Good.
Okay.
Hang on
Is
here.
it in?
On this one, press more.
Okay. Oh.
Hang on. Let me see. Press down on this side. Okay, that's good.
All right, I've got a few more screws that I've got to put back in here, but before I do that, I'm going to give this a test run. And one thing that the videos that don't show the reassembly procedure skip out on is the reset procedure that you have to do with the window regulator. So here's what you do. All right, so the first thing you need to do is roll the window up all the way, but don't use the auto feature. Actually hold the button and hold it for 5 seconds. Oh my God, it works! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then roll it down all the way, again holding for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's see. Ah! Oh, I can't believe it. Oh. All right. Well, that's awesome. Oh, motherfucker. If y'all saw how many takes I do on these things sometimes, it's ridiculous. Guess I gotta wait for the garbage truck to go by now. Oh, 2 garbage trucks. Sorry, we got 2 garbage trucks today. 3 garbage trucks. I just counted the 3rd one.
Okay.
All right.
So one of those pieces essentially broke.
Yeah, well, you know.
Bring production back to the USA.